Introduction. Welcome to a fascinating journey through history as we delve into the story of how the United Kingdom evolved from a union of nations into a fully fledged state. In this video, we will explore the pivotal events and political developments that paved the way for this remarkable transformation. Act 1. The Union of Crowns. Our story begins in the 17th century, when England and Scotland were separate kingdoms, each with their own monarch. In 1603, the death of Queen Elizabeth I of England led to the Union of Crowns, as James VI of Scotland also became James I of England, uniting the two crowns under one monarch. However, this did not result in a political union. Both kingdoms retained their individual parliaments and legal systems. Act 2. The Act of Union 1707. As time passed, the idea of a formal union between England and Scotland gained traction. Economic factors, shared threats, and political considerations played a significant role. In 1707, the Act of Union was signed, merging the English and Scottish parliaments into a single entity, the Parliament of Great Britain. This created a united political entity, albeit one where Scotland maintained certain legal and educational differences. Act 3. Incorporating Ireland. The early 19th century witnessed the addition of Ireland into the mix. However, this wasn't a seamless process. A series of political, religious, and economic tensions culminated in the Act of Union in 1800, officially joining the Kingdom of Ireland, with Great Britain forming the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. This marked another significant step towards statehood. Act 4. The growth of nationalism. As the 19th century progressed, the distinct identities of the constituent nations within the UK remained, with their own cultures, legal systems, and even languages. The growth of nationalism in Scotland, Ireland, and Wales began to challenge the concept of a unified state. Act 5. Devolution and regional identity. The late 20th century saw a series of political shifts aimed at addressing these concerns. Devolution efforts led to the establishment of the Scottish Parliament and the Welsh Synod, granting these regions greater autonomy over their domestic affairs while still being part of the UK. Act 6. A federal structure. As the 21st century dawned, the discussion surrounding the UK's constitutional structure gained momentum. Some advocates proposed transforming the UK into a federal state, granting even more power to its constituent parts. These debates laid the groundwork for a more cohesive and inclusive statehood. Act 7. The United Kingdom as a state. Finally, in a momentous turn of events, a series of constitutional reforms culminated in the formal recognition of the United Kingdom as a state. This transition involved revisiting the relationship between the central government and its devolved administrations, ensuring a balanced distribution of powers and resources. Conclusion. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how the United Kingdom transformed from a mere union of nations to a fully realized state. This evolution was shaped by centuries of history, political maneuvering, and the ever-evolving aspiration of its people. As we reflect on this journey, we're reminded that the story of the United Kingdom is not just a tale of statehood, but a testament to the power of unity and diversity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration.